Trust accounting. It's one of those topics that doesn't get much attention until something goes wrong. And when it does, it can cause major headaches for property managers. If you've ever struggled with keeping that accounts compliant or reconciling transactions, then you are not alone. But here's the thing. Proper trust accounting is more than just a legal requirement. It's important for protecting client funds, maintaining owner relationships, and keeping your business running smoothly. Stick around and we'll walk you through everything you need to know about trust accounting, from the basics to avoiding common mistakes. But before you set up any accounts, make sure you consult with legal and tax professionals. Let's dive in. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is trust accounting? In property management, trust accounting refers to the way you handle money that doesn't belong to you. Now, this includes tenant security deposits, owner funds, rent payments, and sometimes even vendor payments. Now, these funds are held in trust, which means they're separate from your business operating accounts and need to be managed carefully. Trust accounting requires a dedicated bank account for client funds, clear separation of your business's operating money and client money, and regular reconciliation of all transactions to maintain accuracy. It's all about transparency. These steps help keep your clients' funds safe, accounted for, and ready when needed. Now that we know what trust accounting is, let's talk about why it's so important for property managers. Legal compliance. First and foremost, trust accounting is legally required in most states. Failing to comply with these laws can result in audits, fines, or even losing your license. And those aren't risks you want to take. Building trust with clients. Your owners and tenants are trusting you with their money. By managing these funds properly, you're showing them that their investments and their livelihoods are in good hands. Streamlined operations. Accurate trust accounting also makes your operations more efficient. Whether it's preparing for tax season or responding to an audit request, having clean, organized records saves time and stress. Think of trust accounting as the foundation of your business's financial health. Without it, you're building on shaky ground. Even the most experienced property managers make mistakes when it comes to trust accounting. Here are 3 of the most common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Mixing funds. Now, this happens when you use the same bank account for both client funds and your business's operational expenses. It's an easy mistake to make, but it's a big no-no from a compliance perspective. Skipping reconciliations. Reconciling your accounts each month might seem tedious, but it's non-negotiable. This process confirms that your records match your bank statements, catching errors before they become bigger problems. Falling behind on compliance updates. Trust accounting laws vary from state to state, and they're constantly changing. If you're not staying on top of these updates, you're putting your business at risk. This is where property management accounting software and Buildium comes in. We built tools specifically designed to simplify trust accounting for property managers so that you can avoid those pitfalls and focus on what matters most, growing your business. Now, of course, you still need to consult with a lawyer and tax professional on a regular basis to make sure you're staying on the right side of trust accounting laws. Automated reconciliations. Buildium automatically tracks transactions and makes reconciling accounts a breeze. No more late nights with spreadsheets or scrambling to find errors. Audit-ready reports. Need to prepare for an audit or a meeting with owners? With Buildium, you can actually generate detailed professional reports in seconds. Compliance made easy. Buildium sends real-time notifications about changes to trust accounting laws, so you'll never be caught off guard. With Buildium, trust accounting doesn't have to be a headache. To learn more about Buildium's accounting features, click the link in the description. Sign up today and see how automation, reporting, and compliance tools can transform the way you manage your properties. Managing properties is complicated enough. Let Buildium simplify trust accounting so that you can focus on what you do best. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it. Thanks for watching. Until next time.